How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat app. Now, if you open up Snapchat app here and head into your profile by tapping on the profile or the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen and scroll down below, you'll be able to add friends by simply tapping on add friends here. You'll be able to quick add them, or you can search for them, or you can add them from your contacts. However, to unfriend someone on Snapchat, what you want to do is head into the My Friends option that you can see at the screen right now. And here, there are two different ways you can unfriend someone. First, what you want to do is tap and hold on the username of the person or friend that you want to unfriend, and then tap on Manage Friendship, and here you'll be able to find the option Remove Friend. Simply tap on Remove Friend and you can remove them once you confirm the removal. The other way is tap on the username and then head into the profile by tapping on the username again and tap on the three dots option that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, and then head into Manage Friendship again and remove them from here. So this way you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.